Hey everyone, I'm Bill. That's Bogna. We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the final session of the day here at Thunderhill Raceway. You can see camp is all tidied up. The Super Beast and the V2, the S1000 is already in the trailer. The Ducati is ready to go into the trailer. But we have one last bike. Bogna decided not to ride this today, and I couldn't leave this little buddy not to ride. So let's go ahead and move this up here so we can get on track. But our tiny but fierce R3, I'm going to take it out for a quick little session. We're running the new Power GP Cups, or the Power Cup Evos. And so we're going to test these out. We've been running Power RSs on this bike for the beginning of time. So we'll test this out. Now, if you guys, we'll go over a little backstory on this little bike. Give you guys a little refresher if you guys are new to the channel. If you're not new to the channel, well, enjoy the ride. This is a 2015, GP shift. 2015 Yamaha R3. And this bike I bought for Bogna for Valentine's Day 3 years ago, and best gift I ever got her. It's really been such a fun bike. We tried to sell this thing last year, and we both are so happy that we did not sell this because we have really enjoyed this bike. So it's going to be a quick little session for us because I'm exhausted. Huh?
That's too powerful for you, dude.
Yeah, I know. It's like this thing's got at least like 50 horsepower, 42 or something like that, bro.
Sure you can handle this?
Yeah, right? Am I early?
No, you're fine. Go.
Am I ready to roll?
You're ready to roll, man.
Paul, or well, Ray, as they know you on the channel. All right, let's go ahead and get out here on the R3. And whole different ride today on this video because we've been on hyper nakeds, 150, 160, 170 horsepower, and now we get on something with like nothing. But of course we've got to let the tires get heated up just a little bit. New tires, and they're cold, first time out on them. And this is geared for a much smaller track. So we're gonna be pinning this thing pretty well. Such a fun little light bike. Oh. All right, so just flat out through here. go, folks. That is it. Wow. Little R3, holy sneakies. What a blast. See, you don't need 200 horsepower to have a good time, especially on a big track. And this thing, like I said, this thing is not geared down for a big track. This thing is geared, you know, you can see I think I only got like 110 miles an hour. But yeah, this thing is not geared to run at this big track. It's geared for like west across the way. Woo. Such a fun bike. It ended up being more of a bonus than anything, but what a blast. She's running pretty good, babe. I was giving this thing a little workout. What do you guys think, huh? Comment down below. New Power Cup Evos. Looks nice, looks nice. Of course, we're wearing a right sider. Almost flat out all the way back through there. I kind of let off a little bit going up 9, but almost flat out, and I almost got flat out into 1. Little bit of getting off, but the 2015 Yamaha R3, the tiny but fierce, lovely bike. Great day, babe. Great day. The Ridge next week, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification because more content for the track is coming. We do have a September date that we're looking at down at Button Willow, so stay tuned. But thank you guys for sticking around and enjoying the track content today, all day. Just a great day. So Chuck, got to get down to Chuck, but thank you guys again, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.